Anybody say Louboutins, they're cute and shit, but they hurt. And I done found the pair that is the most comfortable for me, but kind of have my Chanel flats though, and they feeling pretty damn good. See, Chanel flats, Louboutins, Chanel flats. I don't know. Hey there, my lovers and friends. I just wanted to come to you guys and let you know that I am going to be trying my hardest to participate in VEDA video every day in April, and I hope you guys will stay tuned for that and give me some love. I'm going to try to keep the videos hella short on everything, I guess, like maybe 3 to 5 minutes a day, if anything. So come follow me in my life. This is, ooh, we like that fade in the background. This is, guess what wig this is? Yeah, because I did a review on this already. I like to wear bobs for the work, and I'm here for a work or professional thing. But come and check out this view with me, y'all. Yes, give me some. I'm in Brooklyn, and I just checked into my hotel. They quote unquote telling me it's an upgrade. An upgrade mean like a bigger bathroom or something, or a view. He gonna say, I'm gonna give you 2 beds. I only need 1 bed. I would have been good with king, but I wanted to get onto a higher floor for this very nice view. And so I am. But check me up, keep up with me. Video every day in April. I'm gonna try my hardest to get stuff out. We have a little bit more going on in April, so hopefully it won't be that boring. All right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, and leave me a comment below. Are you doing VEDA too, or do you like VEDA? Let me know, please. I miss hearing from you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.